I created my ebook. How do I actually sell it? Well, this is the #1 question I get from creators. Here is the truth. If you're not putting yourself and your content out there, no one is going to find it. And it's not because your product isn't good. It's because people don't know it exists. But don't panic. This doesn't mean you need a giant following, viral videos, a fancy sales funnel. So today, I'm pulling back the curtain and giving you my exact formula for selling digital products in 2025, even if no one knows who you are yet. I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree, the easiest platform for creators to sell digital products and grow their audiences without complicated tech. And if you're into simple strategies to grow online with less stress, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I share new videos every week. And there's one strategy I've seen explode sales, and almost no one's talking about it, so stick around. I'll share that in just a sec. The first secret, pick a niche you already know something about. It doesn't have to be your full-time job. It could just be your hobby, your side hustle, or just something people constantly ask you about. Why? Because content is king, and it's 10 times easier to create content and actually enjoy it when you know something about it. And if you're stuck wondering what niche to go into, don't worry, I've got your back. Click this link. I run through the top digital product niches in 2025 based on real sales data from our MiloTree customers. So instead of asking, what should I create? Ask, what painful problem can I solve? That is your golden ticket. People don't buy products, they buy solutions. And here's the biggest myth, that you need a huge audience to make money. You need an engaged audience to make money. So pick one platform your people already hang out on. It could be Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and post 1 to 2 times per week religiously. You might be asking, but what do I post? Well, easy. Just talk about the problem you solve over and over again. You are the solution. So your content really has one job, and this is to get people onto your email list. And the best way to do that is to offer a freebie. I talk about this a lot. It's a quick, helpful one-page resource, and it's tied to your niche and also to the problem you solve. So it needs to be something valuable that feels like it should cost money. And with MiloTree, you can create your freebie, AI generate your opt-in page, and integrate this with your email service provider. You do need an email service provider to make this work. Something like ConvertKit, MailChimp, Flowdesk, MailerLite, but you don't need tech skills to set this up. So why does email beat social media? Well, because email drives 40 times more sales than social media. Yep, 40 is a big number. Social is where people discover you, but that relationship is thin. Email is where you create a tighter relationship, and this is where they buy from you. So once someone downloads your freebie, follow up with a couple value-packed emails, and then you drop your offer, your product. You don't need a fancy store or website. You just need MiloTree. Once you've chosen your product type, like an ebook or a checklist or a coaching call, just give it a name, a price, and a short description. Then MiloTree's AI builds you an optimized one-page sales page. Think of it as a mini website for your product. It's live in minutes, and once you connect your Stripe account so you can get paid, you are ready to sell. And the best part, you get this one magical sales page link. But this is where people get stuck. They post this magical link once and nothing happens. Why? Because people need to see your offer at least 7 times before they take action. So if you're hearing crickets, it's not necessarily that your product is bad, it's just not seen enough. So your job is to share that link everywhere. Share it in your Instagram bio, in Pinterest pins, on TikTok and YouTube, and make sure it is in the descriptions, in Facebook posts, in Facebook groups, in the footer of your email, in your LinkedIn featured section, and DM it where people are talking about the problem you solve and asking about your offer. So every time you share, you're planting seeds. So please keep watering them. Start simple with a low effort product like an ebook or checklist or coaching offer. Please don't overthink it. Just solve one specific painful problem fast. Test multiple offers. And then when you find success, double down on that. You're putting out content to collect followers. You're offering those followers freebies to get them on your email list so that you can sell to them. That's it. That's the system. It's what our most successful MiloTree customers do over and over again. You want to keep this flywheel spinning. The biggest blocker I see, people who wait. They're waiting until they have 1,000 followers or the perfect product or a fancy setup. So please stop and start now. Start messy. Start with B- work. You'll learn faster, grow faster, and generate sales faster. Now here is a trick. Offer a freebie and then immediately sell something for $7 to $19. This is called a tripwire. If people buy this product, you've got a winner. You've turned a lead into a customer and you've built trust on autopilot. And MiloTree makes this simple and you can set this up for free. So if you want the fastest, easiest way to start selling digital products and grow your email list, sign up for your free MiloTree account. The link is below. And don't forget to grab my freebie, 10 awesome digital products you can launch this week. Again, link below. Still wondering what to sell? I've got you. Watch my next video where I break down those 5 hottest digital product niches for 2025 based on what is already selling on MiloTree. You've got this. I am cheering you on.